All right, everybody. So today, this is part of some stuff I shot a few days ago. Sometimes I just go out and if I get lazy one day, then I just make sure I have some spare video. Anyway, just passed through the Friendship Gate, and we're going to go down Don Diego, Perimeter Road, in towards the walking street, the famous walking street. So, I guess it's not too famous anymore with everything going on and things not being what it was a year ago. So we have, we featured that, and I'll probably do another, walking street video someday here, but right now I'm staying off of there. Beautiful day. And we're gonna head on down this way. We have some nice Italian restaurants up this way, and if you ever look at those guys, man, I'm amazed how they put the ladder up against the lines and just climb up. You see somebody doing that at home, you think they're crazy. Yeah, but that's the way it is. Bucket trucks does not exist too much here, I guess. And while I'm driving along here, a lot of our subscribers are asking any updates on travel, on this, on that. And to be honest with you, I don't have a whole lot of update. February 1st, they changed a little bit, and they are saying that, and this comes off the DFA.gov.Philippines, so and it is posted on several Philippine embassy sites. Filipino dual citizen carries a foreign passport, and you have obviously to check what documentation you need and so on and so forth. Also, former Filipino nationals, including foreign national spouse and or foreign national children, regardless of age. And also, if you are married to a Filipino national, you are also able to come here. Keep in mind now when you do that there is a lot of restrictions. From what I understand, and also this comes from government website, you come in, you quarantine for 5 days, you have day 5, take a PCR or swab test, whatever. If that comes out clear, you will be allowed to move on to whatever province, your final destination, and finish your quarantine there. And that in itself is regulated by each province, city, county, sometimes even down to the barangay. So be very very observant on that, and count on at least 14, 15, 16 days in quarantine um, uh, by the time you arrive here. So it could take you up to 2 weeks to have your freedom back, and freedom is a word that we probably wouldn't even use because it is not much of freedom. Travel between provinces, you need permits, you need all kinds of stuff. Health declarations, tested. Some, I think, to Bataan you can go if you have a QR clearance, and I haven't even bothered because it's too much trouble to even figure it out. So I'll hang around at home, and once I get tired of this, I make one effort and I hit the gas pedal and go down to Samar where we have our property and start building a house. So it's been on my mind lately actually to do that, because sitting here in the city is kind of getting boring. Anyway, now we are down on the perimeter road, into the right here. You go in there down the road, K Towers, all that. I think I did a video down there one of these past days. It might have been a year ago. Here we got a fellow foreigner. This corner always get a little stacked up with cars and bikes and motorcycles. But at least today they're kind of holding to the right so you can get by. This place here is a hangout. A lot of foreigner hangs out here. But I really never come down here at nighttime. It's something I have no interest in, and there is some restaurants down here like Philly Sports Bars and Envy, and I think even also Kokomo's. You can actually order delivery via Grab, so that has been something we do most of the time, where we just simply pick up our phone, jump on the app, and get the stuff delivered. And a delivery charge are like $2, whatever. So you pretty much don't spend any more money ordering it at home. And I actually ordered from Phyllis here not long ago, and it came back hot, decent, and I was happy with it. All right, it gets a little. People are kind of. I don't know why they stop like this. It's just crazy. This is the main road out of here, going down towards the park here, and the intersection down at the end of this road. All right, so I've been checking here. Sometimes I go by at night. This is kind of a nice little park to exercise in and run and do this, but I have not seen any people in there for a long period of time, and I think they might keep it closed during this COVID or whatever, and we'll see what's going to happen there. This intersection is always a little busy too. Right now it's okay though. And the lane exchange, right? People are changing lane here. They're like braking to get in instead of staying steady speed or accelerate to get in or whatever. Everybody steps on the brakes. So sometimes going in and out could come to a complete standstill. And all right, so we just left Angeles, coming into Mabalacat, my hometown, and I'm gonna do one mall or whatever it's called there. I'm gonna do a little blog there one of these days. And I also next week are probably coming out with at least one or two more development videos, places to live. I'm going to try to pick that up again, and I have a couple of them. It's just a matter of getting it scheduled with the management to get access to show homes and that kind of stuff. So we're doing that. That should come next week. The other thing I'm going to do is get a little personal with you guys. I've been on a little journey as far as my prostate health. And as we grow older, most men gets symptoms of that, and I have, and I'm going to share some of that because I'm going to try a few things and see if that helps, and if so, I will just let you know that things are helping. All right, traffic comes to a standstill here. Sometimes here you got to be really careful. People are crossing the road, they're walking, they're no using any walkways or anything across. Anyway, we are coming to the end of this little short 13-14 minute video, and don't forget our live feed. Hit that subscribe button, and live feeds are on Sunday morning, 9:15 local Philippine time, Saturday evening, 8:15 Eastern Standard Time. So let's see if I can sneak in here. All right, okay. All right, and that is it for now. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.